Hey, let's talk about backups when you're camping. So we had a couple of incidents happen this weekend at the campground. Our propane gas regulator went out. Something happened to it. We noticed we were cooking in the kitchen in the Airstream, and the flame, even though we had the stovetop set at maximum, was really, really low. Didn't know what was going on. Came out here, fussed around with the propane tanks, disconnected them, reconnected them, etc. Googled the situation as well, and it seems like we have a bad regulator. Ours is 9 years old. I think their lifespan typically is about 10 years, so we're in that zone. When propane isn't being fed, the kind of regulator that we have is going to show red, and then when you activate it and turn it on and the propane flows, it flips to green. Ours won't shut off from a green mode no matter what the scenario is. Something isn't going right, so this leads me to backups. We usually travel with a Coleman type stove. Some of you may have the Camp Chef. That's what we should have bought. But it's nice to have a second stove for outside. And even though on a trip like this where we probably wouldn't have been cooking outside for numerous reasons, it turned out handy to have it because halfway through this camping trip, we were unable to use the gas stove inside the Airstream. So we were able to have dinner last night, breakfast this morning, just put the Coleman stove out on the picnic table and solved that issue. The other backup thing that we do, we mentioned in a few videos ago where we were talking about the blue cooler that we recently bought. We always travel with a cooler. We don't travel with the propane on down the road. Other people do it differently. If you do, this scenario that happened to us is another one of those examples of sometimes when it pays to have a backup, in this case a cooler. Even if we were going to be using our refrigerator on LP, on liquid propane, since our regulator isn't functioning, we were not able to do that. So at this particular campground, we're actually okay because we're on full hookups. The refrigerator is running on AC. But on the ride home, we're going to transfer the cold food items that we have left from the refrigerator, put them in the blue cooler, get some ice, and that'll keep those items good for the ride home. For us, it'll be about 3 hours today. So that's backup number 2. And then backup number 3 on this trip, because our propane went out and it's getting, for California, nippy at night. So we've had nights here in the mid to low 40s. So the first night we were able to run the furnace, we had the propane, we had ourselves comfortable. But after night number 1, we were not able to do that anymore. So we had access to a small electric space heater that kept the bedroom very nice and toasty last night, so we didn't have to sleep in frigid weather or uncomfortable weather. So those are the backups that we had on this trip. The outside Coleman stove is alternate number 1. The blue cooler to serve as an alternate for keeping our food cold. And then lastly, an electric space heater to keep us warm inside. So think about backups because you never know when you're going to need them.